So you might be wondering why I'm wearing a jacket, and to be honest, you're probably not thinking it at all, but I'm gonna tell you why. It's because I have the new MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, and I want it to be, you know, a little bit nicer on this unboxing. Also, I'm standing up as well because, whew, I already know it's gonna be a crazy unboxing. I want to unbox the MacBook Air first, so I apologize to people who came for the MacBook Pro. The Air is special to me because it's a product that kind of, I don't want to say blew up my channel, but it got a lot of traction going on my channel for laptops. So here it is, the MacBook Air. So another thing I want to mention is I'm an Apple fanboy, to be honest. I drink anything Apple. This is a apple cider caramel, something like that, I don't know. The lady in front of me bought it for me. Shout out to the lady. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And listen, I know I'm late with unboxing, but I'm African. We're late to like everything by like 6 hours, so technically this is on time. Honestly, it's not a pleasant smell. It smells okay. It's whatever, dude. Oh! The chime! The chime! Yes! Look at this. Yes. Oh, baby. Let's see if they brought back Russia.
Чтобы сделать русский главным языком, нажмите клавишу Return.
Polish.
Aby użyć polskiego jako języka głównego, naciśnij klawisz Return.
Oh, the magic keyboard. I missed you so much. Now, I've tried my best to keep myself from watching any reviewers or unboxing of this M1 chip. I've seen one benchmark online about it having some crazy, insane benchmark scores. And I know this channel isn't about benchmarks, but I cannot believe this computer is in front of me right now. Dude, and this is running Big Sur. Let's go. I can't. Listen, now there are people that are gonna be looking at this laptop and are gonna say, oh my God, the bezels, they're so thick. I wish I had the bezels of the 16-inch. Let me tell you something. Can you do me a favor? There's a red button, not the subscribe button. Don't hit that. There's a red button on the top right or left, depending on your OS. Click that button. Thank you. Now, for the people who don't care about bezels being like 1/16 of an inch pushed away so you can buy this laptop, I appreciate you. Look how thin this laptop is. Look how, it's so light. I love the MacBook Air. The only reason I hated the MacBook Air is because it wasn't powerful enough. But if this computer, if I can see the numbers for myself, I will do a backflip live. Not live, I'll do a recording, obviously. Now, even though I did say I was an Apple fanboy, I want to also mention that I'm going to try and be as unbiased as I can. Don't mind the apple juice. But I want to be skeptical until I see the numbers in front of me and the performance myself. You always got to drink apple. Apple is good for you. Dude, how do you open this? I need my mom, honestly. All right, that was good and all, but come on. We came for the Pro. Let's go. Also, I do want to mention that I will be doing a live stream of me doing benchmarks and stuff. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I got this one in space gray, I believe. Ooh. No one cares about the... Smells like... Smells like dirty water. That's disgusting. That's actually disgusting. Wow. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. Ah, it smells so good. It smells so good. Hey, give me that boom. Oh my God. Look at the touch bar. goodness, how I missed you. The keyboard smells good though. Keyboard smells good. Let me smell the keyboard on this one. Yeah, the keyboard smells good. The aluminum though smells really weird. It smells like dirty water. I just can't wait to open up Geekbench and test out the MacBook Air. So like I said earlier, if I can see the scores that I saw online in front of my eyes, I will do a backflip. Here we go. So while these tests are running, I want to also talk about Apple Silicon a little bit. I want to be surprised when I see them. But do keep in mind that these are Apple's chips. They're not Intel's, so it's not using the x86 architecture anymore. I don't want to get too technical, but essentially the apps that you are used to using all the time from like the last decade, even like way before that, there's going to be a little bit of hiccups moving forward. So this transition period of 2 years, this is basically going to be the growing pains if you do decide to jump ship on M1, but do keep in mind that there is Rosetta 2. Although not all applications are going to be, be using Rosetta 2 in order to be ran. Some applications might not run outright. But, you know, if most of your applications work, then I do think it's okay to be using the new M1 chip moving forward, because you have to realize that applications will be getting, not reinstalled, but applications will be rewritten with Apple's architecture in mind, and they will have significant more improvements than x86 in some aspects, not all aspects. Do keep in mind for graphical intensive work, it's probably not going to be there. I do believe when the MacBook Pro 16-inch gets replaced with Apple Silicon, that we'll see that big increase in graphical performance. All right, let's see if these tests are done. Please do not be 7,000. I do not want to get a noise complaint. Please, let me look at the Pro. No, let me look at the Air. There's no fan. Oh, it turned off. 7,349! Oh my, 1,700 single core with no fan. What? 8 gigabytes of RAM. What? Oh, what? Let me look at the Pro. Let me look at the Pro. Let me look at the Pro. Oh my God. 1770. The what? Wait. The Air. What? Wait. Wait. Dude, I'm in shock. Wait. What is going on? I can't move. Wait. Wait. What? Okay, wait. What? What? I gotta rerun the test. I gotta rerun the test. I gotta rerun the test. No way. No way. I gotta rerun the test. There's no way. There's no way. Get these emojis out of my face. What the? Go. Do you want to install updates? Install anything you want. On a MacBook. No fan. It's dead silent. It's dead silent. This is it. This is my computer. This is my computer. I will give up everything to have this laptop. Oh my God, I completely forgot I gotta do a backflip. Who cares? I'll do it anyway. Come on. Come on. Show me 7,000 again. This is it. It's laptop of the year. Laptop of the year. Show me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money. 7,302. 7,367. How? Bro, how? Seriously? 7? 7,000! Oh my goodness! This is not normal. This is not normal. Intel, pack your bags. Pack your bags, Intel. You're done. You're done. You're done for the year. I will see you in 2021 with your new chips. But hey, now it's a wrap. You're done for 2020. You can't come back from this. I'm sorry. Lisa Sue killed you, Tim Cook killed you, you're done. Next year, you got time to bounce back. I believe in you. Dude, I'm honestly in shock. I'm in shock. I've never felt blown away. How? I'm sorry that I keep picking up the Air, but there's no fan, and this is so thin. Oh my God. MacBook Pro, I'm sorry. I know you got a fan. I know you're looking thick. I know you're looking good, but hey, if this is giving me the nearly identical performance with no fan and it's thinner and it's a better typing experience, your touch bar is not worth it. Your touch bar is not even, no. All right, so listen, you guys came for the Pro. I'm sorry. Pro, you're done. Air, what's up? So by the time you look at this video, look at that instant wake. Oh! I was about to do my outro. I completely forgot. That was quick. Look at how quick this instant wake is. You are immediately, I mean immediately, back in your home screen or whatever you're trying to do. Look at that. Look at that. And the Air's still closed, you can see. Look. Look. Come on. Ouch, that hurts. Boom. Boom. The Air. The MacBook Air 16-inch. Make it happen, please. So like I've always said, benchmarks don't mean everything, and even more particular with these laptops because your performance is going to vary on what application you pick. If you're using a lot of Apple-based apps or you're using apps that are already been written for the M1, you're going to see amazing improvements. And not even that, you're still getting amazing battery life. I'm coming from the MacBook Pro 2012 and I'm jumping ship. I know that this is first generation, but if this is the performance I'm going to be getting now and it's only going to get better over time, 100% jump ship to the Air. The Pro, I don't really know. This one seems a little bit more pricey. Definitely, I guess with the fan, it does help for more sustained workloads for longer periods of times. But with that being said, if this thing can burst through applications and your workflow, the Air, why not? What do you need? 100 extra bright nits of nits? You're inside. What do you need to go outside for? We're quarantined. Lockdown 2.0. So with all that being said, guys, carry the Mary. So I do appreciate every single sub, like, and comment. This was a very enjoyable unboxing experience. I don't know when I'm going to do that backflip, but we'll see. It'll be sooner than later. By the end of the week, for sure. I'm gonna break my body. Anyway, like I said, I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. Share with your friends. And as always, guys, much love. Not to you, to this one. I love this thing already. No fan. It's been silent this whole time. My, nothing. MacBook Air. All right, so the honeymoon phase is gonna start off with the MacBook Air, so cut off the lights, please. MacBook Air, where have you been this whole time, man? Looking good as usual, performing like never before.